was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and pepper and heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall.
Hey guys, long time no see. I haven't seen you guys in a minute. Got my nose pierced, cut my hair. A lot of changes been going on, but you guys been asking for this dorm tour. So let's go. This is my front door. Some little hallway. But anyways, this is my front door, so then we're gonna open it. Nothing crazy there. You walk in, and I have the AC. I have two trash cans that are over a recycling bin trash can that was provided by the school. Then I have this little safety guide thing, and then I have my flag bag. It's kind of like in the corner, just there. Next is my closet. That is a tension rod, if you're wondering. And then I just got two curtains to cover all the mess in here. This is kind of bothering me. Wait, ew. Okay, so this is my closet. I'm wearing those shoes right now. There's a hole right there. But everything's color coordinated. This is a little shoe rack I got. And behind there is just my suitcase, some laundry bins, and those are supposed to be in my flag bag, but I don't use them right now, so I'm not taking them back and forth. So then I have some dress pants. Most of these are like jeans and just going out pants, and then all my clothes are color coordinated. And then I have these things to like save space, and then I have a couple jackets back here. Those are my pom-poms and my shoes for guard, and then that's just like a beach towel, first aid kit, all the other stuff in that box. So I just close this. So when you come over here, I have these little boxes from Target that has like my hair stuff, bras, makeup, socks, all the good stuff. Then I have a couple decorations up here. I spray painted this Buddha myself. And I got my elephant, I'm pretty sure it's from Ross, and it has like smell goods in it. And then I got her from Urban Outfitters. You come over here, and that's my diffuser. That is clutch. It makes the room smell so good. My kettle for my tea, because if you know me, I love drinking tea. And I have my Brita filter for water. And then I have my microwave, my mini fridge. And then you come over here, and I have this like portrait painting thing. I was gifted this. It was like my first piece of mail when I came to college, and yeah, she's really cute. Then we come over here, and then you have my bed. And I just have this blanket right here. And then, yeah, that's my bed. I lofted my bed. Then you have me. And we come over here, I have my desk. There's like all my chargers and stuff down there. This is obviously my phone. And I have a mirror, a lamp, the same from Target. And I have this little, I guess, nook you can say. And it has just little decorations. I have an Alexa behind there. And I have my monitor. You can see me in it. My computer under here, if you can see. I have a couple books and a painting. That was loud. And in here, I don't really know. Yeah, I don't have much in here. Just paper, my iPad, pens, stress balls. And then we come under here, I have all my food and like the rest of my paper and school stuff under there. And then I have my, oh my gosh, can you see? I have my printer, just a little more decorations. And you can't really see because the light's facing the other way. But I have another Buddha and a, what is this? Not a magnifying glass, like a time sand thing. Like it goes like this, and like all the sand goes the other way. I don't know how long it is, so. But yeah, everybody when they come in my room, they turn it. And then I really like this. I got this off Romwe. It's a vase, but this is like empty. It's like see-through, like, you know what I mean. And I just put some fake plants in it. And yeah, that's my dorm. Oh, I guess I can show you this. Here, this is all like my practice shirts, or like if I'm just going chilling. Then in there, this one's like shorts and tights, and this one is like other pants and stuff that just didn't fit my closet. And oh, the bathroom. So then you have this so you can lock it, because I have a roommate, and then there's people who live across from me. There's two people who live across from me. And we share a bathroom and a shower. So you unlock this, open it. Here's me again. And just, the basics. Just have like my hair stuff and Q-tips. That's like razors, loofah, all that other good stuff. And then I just have like my shower caddy, shower shoes, cleaning supplies. This is the shower. Nothing special, nothing major, just a shower. Then you come over here, and you have a toilet. And that's about it. Okay guys, that's it for my video today. Hope you guys enjoyed my dorm tour. You guys have been asking for this video. If you have any questions, comment below. And if you're wondering, I attend Jacksonville University. I am a freshman and it's so cold. You guys have a good morning, noon, or night, wherever you guys are at, and stay safe.
Mr. Magic Molly Mall. I let my tape rock till my tape pop.